Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Makeup Beauty 93. So today's video is just on how to straighten my curly hair. As you can see, my hair is super nappy and everything. Just gonna go in with the Tangle Teaser. And I love this brush from Tangle Teaser. I bought this at Ulta, so I'll leave a link down below. That way, if you guys are interested for my curly hair people or any other hair types out there that would love this, nappy remover like for your hair, this is the brush for you. Okay, so I'm just still going to go in and just separate your hair into pieces, maybe 1 inch or just depending on how, nappy your hair can be. Here is how it looks when I brush out my hair. So it's definitely like one of those memes why people ask, why don't you brush out your curly hair? This is why, because look how poofy. It's still pretty, but I don't really wear my hair out like this. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, that Tangle Teaser brush is like life. Like, it was so easy to brush out my hair. This is the final look of brushing out all of my hair. It's very poofy, but still pretty. You can put some cream in it if you just want to leave it like this, but I want to straighten out my hair, so let's go ahead and kind of get into straightening out my hair. Okay, so what you want to do is pretty much part your hair down the back. To separate your hair, and pretty much what you'll need is like a clip and a ponytail. So I'm just going to use a ponytail right here to kind of hold together one side of my hair. That way, I can work on one side first. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and part my hair at the bottom. You don't want to take too much hair out because you want to make sure you can get your hair, pretty straight, because that's what we're going to go for. That's what we're going to go for, curly to straight. So we're going to go ahead and kind of twirl our hair up and then use this marble clip that I got at Ulta as well. Just clip that to the hair. Okay, and so we're just going to go back in and brush our hair again. And go in with our Hot Tools flat iron and our OUAi Memory Mist spray, which is my absolute favorite for curling my hair. It's pretty much like a protective spray, and it leaves your hair it'll leave your hair straight for a few days. So once you've sprayed your hair, you want to go in and brush your hair again and just part your hair for another piece, and that's pretty much kind of like a 1 inch or so. And we'll go in with our Hot Tools and start straightening our hair out. Now for my hair, it does take a few times to go over since I have super wavy hair and curly hair, but this gets the job done. And the OUAi smells so good, that memory mist, it leaves your hair smelling amazing. I use a shampoo and their conditioner and pretty much all their products I love to use. So just kind of do this until your hair is pretty much straight. Okay, onto the other section of the hair. Just go ahead and brush it, and since we already had sprayed our hair, just go in with the Hot Tools. I believe my Hot Tools straightener is like a 1 inch, I want to say. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and that way I have the correct measurements down there. So since I already have that bottom portion down straight, I'm just gonna go ahead and unclip my hair and get another piece of hair, and I just pretty much use my thumb to kind of part my hair. Okay, so once we kind of twirl our hair up again and just clip it with our little clip, we'll pretty much do the same steps over again until we kind of complete the whole head of hair. So brush it out. Make sure you always spray it, brush it again, and then straighten it as well. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of this video. Okay, so I did one side of my hair. This is what it's looking like, all straight and everything. So you can see the comparison between like having one side of my curls brushed out and having it straight. So it's a huge difference. And my hair is smelling so good because of that memory mist spray. Like, I'm obsessed with that spray. You guys should try that spray out. And like I said, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Okay, so finally we have my whole head of hair complete, straightened. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Tangle Teaser brush and just brush up my hair. And we're gonna go in with the OUAi. This is the oil that I love to use from that line as well. It pretty much makes your hair just pretty much shiny. Makes it look more, I guess, slick straight. And all these products smell like they smell amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to the hair. Sometimes I go ahead and just brush the product in as well, and just take the other side. And I usually use a pump to 2 pumps in my hands and just kind of massage that into the hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look for my curly to straight hair. Usually it takes me about an hour to an hour and a half depending on how curly my hair is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my curly to straight hair tutorial on what happens with this beautiful hair. So if you guys enjoy this, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.